we got my
It's a dick.
we got my big beard growing in. You know, we've been in these woods for a while now. We've been getting hunted down by the booty goblins, by the naked men, ladies with
Yeah, they were
multiple
trying.
legs,
They trying to suck our
finger
dicks.
finger monsters. There's like
Oh, they were trying to suck mine.
there's so many finger monsters for some reason. There was a shark as well at one point, so we don't like that. We don't like sharks. We don't like finger monsters. We don't like
I'm
naked
probably gonna
monkey
have to
men,
join on
and we
here.
don't like bitches with more than 2 legs. It's okay, bro. We're gonna go to this. We're gonna go to this location. We're gonna find a bunch of loot here. Okay.
Where did you go with the whip? Oh,
Right here. You in?
Get in, nigga. All right, there. We getting there. My character is being stupid.
Let's roll.
Hop his ass in.
Are you next to me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just looking backwards.
Ooh, 3K likes. Thank you so much, Jessica. You ain't gonna trick me like that. Who do you think you are?
Is that?
What the fuck happened? We gotta push it.
Get a rock.
We high centered ourselves. Oh my god. Get in.
I am.
I need to get in.
Oh, what the fuck?
Okay. There we go. Turtle shell. This is what we needed. Kill these turtles.
Hold on.
Alright, so for this part of the episode, honestly, for most of the episode, we don't really do much. A lot of it is us finding turtles and mutilating them, like you guys just saw. And a lot of it is us driving through the forest and coming upon another place that I thought would be good for a base. And I don't know why, but I always change bases, so you guys are gonna have to deal with that. And me and D start building a base. But you guys will understand why I choose this base in the future. Just wait, trust me. Anywho, I hope you guys are enjoying this little time lapse. We found a little campsite there, and then we drove again through the forest, through the trees. Somehow I did pretty good not hitting trees, but I still hit a tree every once in a while. I just wanted to build a different base because we kept getting attacked by the naked monkey men, and I want to find something fortified. Oh yeah, and a lot of this you're gonna see me just getting up and randomly dancing because you hear a little blip noise. As you know, on my TikTok, when I stream anything, all my YouTube videos come from TikTok streams. And so I am trying to gain more followers at the moment, and I dance whenever I get a follower, and they are making me dance like crazy.
Alright, hold on. It won't let me. Oh no, I got fucking butt raped. Wait. Hold up! Stop moving for a second. Go! Go, nigga, go! It's gonna get us now.
Oh, I died. I need help. Hit the res.
Fuck.
Did you die?
No, I'm running around.
Hit the res. I believe in you.
Alright, I did. Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh, they...
Hey man, I'm not trying to...
Oh my god, I died again, bro. He fucking juked me.
I got you.
Oh my god, you're built different.
Alright, we're gonna have to get in the golf cart, man.
I smacked him, but he smacked me harder. He's actually built different. It's because I killed so many of them.
Ooh. I break your ankles. Oh shit, the lag.
Okay, I killed him. Killed him. I gotta dance.
Woo! It was got me.
I'm coming, buddy. I'm gonna hit him with the... Okay, we gotta hit him with the alley.
He's just running. Let him go, let him go.
Golf cart.
You can go first. I ain't driving this shit.
Get in.
I'm trying. Alright, go.
Okay, I guess we gotta go to a different one. Oh my god. No, you can't double follow. I'm not dancing like that. Oh, look at that waterfall. You know, I might just need to move bases over here now. I'll be real, I ain't never had a waterfall before. It's kind of a cool spot. Kind of a cool spot. If I can just get my golf cart up here. Haha, I am the master driver. You see this? Who wouldn't want to live here? I'm marking this place on the fucking map. Got a waterfall even. With a boat. 2 more followers and we get to 50. Oh. Yeah, I don't think any monkey men are gonna fuck with us over here. I do see a fire over there though. Tis catching my eyeballs. Now I feel like we have to go to the snow caps. You know?
All right, chat. I'm back.
I'ma have, bro. I found a perfect place for a base. I'm sorry.
God damn.
Look,
I'm in bases.
look at what I found. It's so easy to protect.
Do we have like how many bases now? What's this? Is this the base that you're talking about? That we're at right now?
Yeah. Imagine we have like a tower right there, like a watchtower, you know. And we have like nice little platform right here. You feeling me?
Yeah. Is that Calvin just looking at me? That's creepy as fuck. That nigga just staring into my soul.
And so we could have a nice little platform right here, you know. And then, oh, is that another Grow a Garden giveaway? Thank you so much. And then we could put up some defensive walls. If I can find them. Like from here to here, you know?
Yeah.
And then we have the watchtower right there. Then we can have an actual defense. And then back here we can just make more platforms and, you know, build down into the water and shit and have like a cool little base that's actually protected from people. And then
Okay.
I'll just tell Kelvin to like start building this.
All right. Let's. Are we building it now? Whoa, the lag. Are we building this now?
I mean, we can start it. We can just chop down a couple trees, and then like go to sleep and fucking wake up, and fucking continue our journey.
Yeah, because I was just saying like let's just explore.
Yeah, I was just saying this real quick, like so we can have a little base camp to go
All
to
right, yeah,
sleep.
let's just build half of it, and then like fucking explore,
I'll build a tent so we can at least sleep when it gets dark.
cause like I want to go pay my uncle a visit in the
Please don't hit.
hospital.
Please don't.
Wait, I gotta make sure it's
Our
not okay.
logs. Our logs fell in.
All right,
Our logs fell in the water.
I'm breaking down the thing, but yeah. So let's just build half of it, explore, and we'll pick up where we left off. Because I want to go pay my uncle a visit in the hospital.
Yeah, that's cool. And then I'll just do some solo gameplay. Like honestly, like when you leave. Oh my god, is that a monkey man?
That's why I wanted us to like at least explore like and everything.
Well, if you're gonna leave, then we might as well just work on this. And when you come back, then we'll have more time
Alright.
to like
I'm gonna chop
explore
down
and shit.
trees and then yeah, I'll chop down trees and then you just get like the stuff. Okay,
Yeah.
that's why I said I need to find my axe
And it's
because
getting dark. I say I'm gonna build a tent real quick.
alright, chopping down the trees right now.
Here, I kind of have to.
Alright, timber! Watch out, timber. I'm coming over here chopping up trees.
Probably build like one of
Master
these.
got me working! Master got me slaving! Master, don't you set me free! Master has me working. Master has me slaving.
Where's this nigga walking to?
How about you lick my balls, Mr. Grayson?
Respect my daughter. Daughter. Okay, so he is building this. Okay, good.
Oh shit, am I not hitting it? Oh, I wasn't even moving. How about you suck my balls, Mr. Grayson? If you don't suck my balls, Mr. Grayson, I'm gonna have to, Mr. Grayson, teabag the shit out of you.
Where are the logs? I can't see any logs. Oh, here.
Master got me working. Master got me slaving. Master, just please set me free.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much for the follows.
Master, can you please set me free? I don't want to keep
Thank
slaving.
you again. Thank you for another one.
I won't pick your ties unless I'm in
Alright,
there.
52. That's crazy, guys. Thank you so much for the follows.
Chat, he has me slaving. He won't let me take a break. Master got me working. Master
Will you
has me
shut up? I don't pay you to talk. Or I don't make you work to talk. Because I don't pay you.
I need a knight in shining armor to come help me. Don't take me away from this evil man. Can
I
go
can't
to
see
sleep,
shit.
Master? I can't either. It's like fucking pitch black. It's like when you walk inside of a fucking dark room.
I need to like
It's like,
turn this off. Open up my blinds.
have you guys ever like been in a house when all your lights are turned off? Yeah, it's like dark as fuck. Like that's what it looks like right now. I can't see shit. The stars are so pretty. Oh my god.
Hey, I know you're busy.
Yeah, I'm
Aunties
busy.
are here.
Huh?
Aunties are here.
Aunties?
Aunties. Aunties and Aunt
Okay, I'll come out and say hi in a second.
Just go out. Just go out when I leave. Go when I leave. Hey, what's good? What's good?
I heard something screaming.
Yeah, it's a new game. the new game right now. I know you guys wanted to see The Walking Dead. I said that like 10,000 times. Okay. We'll be back. We'll be back into it. Probably next Monday. Right now, I'm tired of that shit. I want season 2 though. I'm gonna get season 2. But like, I probably won't have it for like at least a week. Cause like, I gotta get other stuff.
I need logs.
Master on the working. Now he got me slaving. Timber in these streets. Probably.
I have a dream that one day. Oh, thank you guys so much for the follow.
I had a dream that master was setting me free. Because
Shadow
he got
milk
me
something.
slaving.
Shadow milk cookie.
I want a milk cookie.
So
Milk cookie.
in a second, once this is done, we'll be able to go to sleep.
I just took down the another log.
Do you have any rocks?
Nah, I don't.
Not in your inventory at all.
Nope. I mean, I think these are these rocks.
We need like the decent sized rocks.
Oh, like this? Over here where
Yeah,
I'm at?
just look for like a few of them. They're like round, big.
Maybe this?
Yeah.
Like, is that a rock? Alright.
Okay. I think that we have enough. And then we need sticks.
There should be
I
sticks
need
all
5
over the
sticks.
floor, dude. Like, there should be sticks all over this floor.
1.
Master got me working. Master has me slaving. Master, can you set me free? Oh, that nigga just vanished. I saw him, and the next, he just teleported. That nigga unlocked the fucking.
Here,
fucking
if you can you help me throw a bunch of logs on this motherfucker, or can you just keep chopping trees? Because we need a lot of logs for this watchtower.
Yeah, I got you.
What?
Baby, cause you're mine.
I just got hurt. I don't know by what, but I got hurt, and that's all.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. How do y'all feel about the new like the Demon Hunter like K-pop shit? How y'all feel about that?
Oh, low key, it looks kind of cool. I like the animation style at least.
Yeah, the music's fire. I fuck with the music.
I do want to see. Okay, what else can we build?
I really do hope I really do hope y'all enjoy that shit. That shit's actually really good. They put like
Is there like a door we can craft?
I think. I know my fans. I know my fans are hyped to see this, but I know y'all are hyped to see me twerk.
What the fuck?
I'm dead. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not doing that shit. If y'all get, I'll tell you what. If y'all get me to 100K likes right now, I will fucking throw it back.
I'd pay to see that.
I would throw it the fuck. This nigga sound. I would throw it back if y'all give me 100K likes right now. 100. Like, I swear to God, I put down everything. I'll throw it the fuck back. 100K likes. Throw that shit back. No cash allowed.
First, we need a ramp.
I
know we got ramps somewhere.
I'm chopping down trees though. So I'm chopping some trees down for you.
I know we got
No, I'm
ramps.
surprised. Yeah, I'm really surprised we haven't seen any monkey mans. Like, it's crazy.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying. That's why I chose this place, bro.
Like,
I'm tired of getting jumped. That's why.
Hey, I'm gonna be real. And it was nighttime. We were able to sleep in bees. Like, we didn't have to worry about like that shit. But like,
It's easy to fortify. It's not a fucking problem.
But like, I ain't gonna lie. We gotta stop building bases and leaving them fucking bases.
Okay, how the fuck do I make a ramp?
We spent hours on those bases, then we just left them, and now we gotta do this again. So like, that's just a waste of time.
I seen ramps before.
Timber, it's going down. Can you remember? Oh, better move. You better dance. Let's get life. Now fuck your plans.
Okay, I have an idea. I want to see if this works.
Guys, I'm just chopping down the fucking trees, man. Like I'm just a slave, you know. Like instead of picking cotton, I'm chopping the trees, which is something better. Because like I don't want to pick no cotton. Master got me slaving, you know. Like I gotta do what my master tells me to do. If I don't, he gonna give me a big spanking on my ass cheeks. And I don't want to be spanked, not yet, at least. I got so much blood on my freaking axe over here.
Yeah,
I didn't
no.
know trees can bleed.
You've been out here
Bro,
murdering
my
trees.
headset keeps falling off. I think it's my bunny ears. Y'all, I am getting new bunny
Okay.
ear beanie.
You like that? You see what I did?
Yeah. But you got, how the fuck you gonna get at the top of this shit, dude?
There's a rope.
Oh. Yeah, I'm getting a new bunny beanie. Like honestly, I'm not even gonna lie. It's not that I'm getting tired of this one, it's because like I know y'all probably tired of seeing this one. So I might get an all black one. All black one does sound dope as fuck.
Stairs. Okay.
Alright, dude, I just chopped down a shit ton of trees. I'm going on my break. Even though slaves don't go on their breaks, but I deserve it. Because I'm black. Master got me, word ya? Master got me slaving.
Yes. I like how it's literally built like can you if you're gonna AFK, can you stand inside the base so you don't die?
Yeah.
Check this out. You like what I'm building, bro?
Yeah.
So you can look above the tower and you can shoot people. You know, from like here, you can shoot people, but we're still protected. I need to build a door though.
What do you call it? Yeah, this is actually pretty good. It's pretty dope. It's got a nice waterfall over here.
I need more wood though. I need you to chop down a
Actually,
little bit more.
alright. I need to get some water first. Give me some goddamn water. Oh shit, I almost dropped my fucking phone, y'all. That was close. We need this. I need to always take my dick pics and send them to the females. What? What? Huh? The hell?
Yeah, I don't know about that one. Shoot.
Hey, you guys subscribe to my OnlyFans. It's bigballside.com.
Okay. That's enough.
What the fuck happened to me? I'm sticking my pickaxe up your ass.
Oh my god, monkey man! Oh my god, zombies! There's zombies! There's zombies!
So I got
I got raped too.
Bro, I thought you killed me.
Can you res
I
me?
could. I'm dead.
Hold you to
the
respawn.
monkey man stuck his fingers in my ass.
Bro.
Bro, don't tell me we're not gonna be able to get back to that base.
We have to.
Oh no, I see it. I see it.
You see the base?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, good. I'm here, buddy.
Let me untie myself. These niggas are freaky.
I'm untying myself too. Bro, those fucking monkey men. They're crazy. They
must-
look like zombies.
Oh god, they do.
I think we ran into a different tribe. Oh,
They must have. They was sucking
bro,
me
they
up
have a
when I was
boombox.
God.
I took a radio. Bro, look
I'm
at this
taking all
motherfucker.
Give me a second. Oh, I got rope.
Look at this motherfucker.
Hold on, give me a second.
Look!
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh shit, I let him go. Oh my god, he killed me. I didn't mean to let him go. I meant to murder him. Hit the res. Hit the resi. Hello? Buddy? Buddy? D? D? Are you okay? I'm about to die. I can't hear you if you're talking, D. You might still be alive. Did you die? Hello? Buddy? Buddy? I'm just fucking dead. Oh, he's alive. Why didn't he res me? Oh, he's AFK. Oh my god. This thing's strong. He's lagging like crazy. Looking up to this. I will kill this motherfucker. Oh! Please. Where's my homie? I see our base. I'm running towards it. Damn, they took us all the way down here. See, it's our fault. Oh my god! Oh my god! They're coming! Why are they so evil? Why are they doing this? Why are they doing this? Why are they doing this? Oh my god. I'm dancing, I'm dancing, I'm dancing! Bro. Come on! The second we start building a base, these crazy fuckheads just have to come ruin it. They're gonna keep bringing me back here. Right there. This is some bullshit. There's so many. Why? Maybe if I go this way, you know, take the other way around, maybe they won't murder me. I also need some food. A little bit of energy. You feel me? These motherfuckers are still following me. Whatever happened to my bone armor? I need to finish that house. Okay. We're good. We're good. I am thirsty. Water. We are going. In this next part, I basically got tired of being murdered over and over again and built a door. And you'll see that that door helps a lot in the future. Fucking die. Fucking die. Okay. Kill her. Okay. So many. I just want to build a fucking door. Fucking kill your ass. Come on, motherfucker. Die. Die. What you want? Come on, die. I need this fucking head. Now I spent the rest of this next part just trying to figure out how to finish this door and finishing up the wall until over and over again I got trapped in a cycle of endless fucking pain. Oh, fuck! Goddamn monkey man. Why? Bro, I'm telling you, they're coming after me just to fucking annoy me. Because they let me escape every time. Why would they do such a thing? Why would you guys do such a thing? This fucking game. I just need to finish this goddamn wall. How many times has it been? How many times have I gotten caught before I've been able to fucking finish this goddamn wall? I'm not worth your time. Leave me alone. Please. Fucking running after me, bro. Some water. Oh shit, I'm not in camera. No, keep running. Fuck off. Why? Did you see what he did? He just fucking ran after me. Shit's fucking annoying. Let me fucking just build my house in peace. Been in fucking shackles all day. I think I ran them all far enough away though. Let's see. We're gonna fucking tear their place down. Build some nice little steps right there. Can you like not lay down? Fucking get. Build. Okay. Just fucking follow me, bro. Goddamn Kelvin ain't doing shit. I don't even think we need that shit, but the logs and drop here, bro. Hey, thank you for the follow, man. Okay. What can I do here? Yeah, no, we're just gonna finish this motherfucker up. We don't need much more. Let's throw these out. side. You know what? I know exactly what I'm gonna build. See, this is what I hate about playing alone. Sneaky, sneaky. We got this. My shit. My shit. And I'm dead. Why? Alright, guys. So in real time, this was like, I don't know, 2 hours maybe? But I spent this entire fucking time just chopping goddamn trees down, getting my ass eaten by monkey men, and trying to build this base so I don't die. And I'm gonna be real, it didn't work. It didn't fucking work. The base is ass. It's dirty. I'm dirty. And then it started fucking snowing too. So I'm gonna be real. Unless I have my homie D here, we're screwed. And I didn't think shit could get worse. I really didn't. I really fucking didn't. Until some bullshit happens, and you'll see that soon. But yeah, there's only one thing I can do now, and that's fucking pray, because these naked monkey men aren't fucking playing, bro. Oh. Go finish the fucking structure, dude. I think he's stuck. Can you come down this way? Look at these hip gyrations. Look at them. Look at these hip gyrations. I'm motherfucker. Get the fuck up. Give me my arrow back. I'm gonna make you move. Oh my god. Thunderman? How dare you? How dare What are you scared of? Get off this fucking mountain. Kelvin? Kelvin! I didn't mean to kill him. I didn't think I was gonna actually kill him. I didn't think he could die. Now I got no help. I just got these hip gyrations. Kelvin's dead. It's all my fault. I hope he comes back. Maybe he comes back when I wake up. Maybe it's like all a bad dream. For him at least. Because I need fucking teamwork. Right, then I would do none. Now, again, I'm sorry that there's so many time lapses in this, but I wanted to make sure y'all could see all the work I've been putting in to the game at least. And all the dancing I'm doing is kind of funny when it's in time lapse as well. But in this video in general, I just didn't have much to put in because most of what I did was just grinding. Honestly, this episode was a lot of grinding, and that might be a lot of the other episodes too, so I think I might just cut those out and end up making specific episodes. Like I won't put in the episode at all us grinding to make a fucking video. I'll just put in like the adventure stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Well, I hope you guys liked this episode. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. My beard is growing in beautifully. And, you know, come and watch the next stream. Probably tomorrow or the next day, but I hope you guys enjoy. And one of these days, we're going to be doing a 24-hour stream, so make sure you come hit my TikTok and come watch that. It's going to be probably on my birthday or the day after, but I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.